Hello, Roadrunners. Happy Tuesday. Haley and I are here today to walk our families through accessing Google Classroom and in preparation for our distant learning first day of school tomorrow, how to submit all of the assignments that students are being assigned. So the very first thing we want to do is go to Clever, and we are going to have her log in using her Clever badge. And we are going to go ahead and access Google Classroom right here. If you click the heart, it will always show up on the top of your favorite resources. If you accidentally unclick it and it goes away, no worries. Just go ahead and scroll down to the Google Apps and I can reheart it and it'll go right back up to the top the next time I log in. So the first thing I want to do is I want to log into her Google Classroom. And yesterday, you should have received communication through Parent Square with your child's brand new login information. So I'm going to go ahead and log in right here. I only have to do this the first time and then it will save the next time I log in. And we are in. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. So that way, every time she logs in, we can do this. This is, if your child's in multiple classes, all of them will show up. Right now, she's just going to click onto Mrs. Crocker. So this is the student view. And the very first place I would recommend families and students to look is right here. So this is upcoming. So this is due tomorrow. So she has to get this done tomorrow. And then this is due Friday. The newest posts from the teachers will show up on this mainstream site. And then the classwork specifically, if she clicks here, this is all of the assignments that have been assigned to anyone in Mrs. Crocker's class at this time. The other cool new feature that I wanted to show you is that it now syncs to her Google Calendar. So if she were to click on Google Calendar, each of the students, it automatically links the student accounts into their Gmail. So if you wanted to see, if she wanted to just log in and access her Google Calendar, she can click right here and it will take you exactly to the assignment that is due on Google Classroom. So if that's a view that your child is more comfortable with, go ahead and utilize that feature. So we are going to go ahead and click on our Wednesday check-in. And by we, I mean Haley, because I'm not doing her work for her. And I'm going to just do a real quick test of this. So you should just be able to click on it. Haley, how are you feeling today? Go ahead and click and let's see here, maybe click one of the emojis and drag it over perhaps. All right. Why don't you go ahead and expand that to make that larger. Click on, yep, there you go. Cool. Okay, so now I want you, why do you feel happy? Oh, good. Okay, finish eating. Great. I am also happy because the puppy is being good today. Okay, so from here, since this is a Pear Deck, we are going to go ahead and go back here. And we've already accessed the Google slide right here. So it's already done and it's saved for us. And then what we are going to do is we are just going to click Turn In. And as soon as that is done, if they need to change anything or want to make sure, you can click Unsubmit and edit whatever you like. If you wanted to add a specific message to Mrs. Crocker, like maybe you didn't understand or your child's teacher, you can go ahead and add the comments here. If you wanted to make a comment to the whole class, here is where you would access that, but then know that everyone in the class would be able to see that comment. And then we just want to go back into here, and here is your classwork, and right here it says that it is already turned in. So tomorrow she will actually do it again since it's a Wednesday check-in. But I hope that this short tutorial helped. If you have any questions at all, please make sure to reach out to either your child's teacher or myself through Dojo or Parent Square, and we'd be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Have a wonderful day, Roadrunners. Have a great first day of school tomorrow.